Now let's start virus. We all know a pandemic is going on all over the world. This horrifying pandemic caused by a virus named novel coronavirus. Now let's see what is virus. Virus क्या है? The term virus means venom or poisonous fluid. वायरस का मतलब क्या है? वायरस का मतलब है venom or poisonous fluid, which was coined by Pasteur in 1880. Now origin. Origin क्या है? The latest view about the virus or origin of the virus is that they are modified plasmid, which are fragments of nucleic acid of the host. Nucleic acid का जो host है, उसका जो fragment. So they are modified plasmid. Modified plasmid क्या है? Fragments of the nucleic acid of the host. Host के जो nucleic acid है, उसके fragments. What is virology? The scientific study about virus is called virology. Like that, mycology. Mycology क्या है? Mycology है scientific study about fungi. Phycology है scientific study about algae. वैसे virology is scientific study about virus. And father of virology, M. Bergering. And the father of modern virology, Thomas Milton Rivers. Next, National Institute of Virology is situated in Pune. National Institute of Virology is situated in Pune. Few to be remembered. Viruses are not included in five kingdom. अब five kingdom में क्यों included नहीं है? इसका जो reason है ये हम बाद में देखेंगे. They are neither prokaryotes nor eukaryotes. ये prokaryotes भी नहीं है, eukaryote भी नहीं है. And virus cell theory भी follow नहीं करते, which is proposed by Sladen and Swan. And viruses are not culturable in artificial or synthetic media. Artificial और synthetic media में virus को हम लोग culture नहीं कर सकते हैं. Next is viruses are smaller than bacteria. This is very important. Viruses are smaller than bacteria. Rickettsia. Rickettsia ना ही bacteria है और ना ही virus है. Rickettsia is a independent group. Rickettsia is a independent group. Is an independent group which is between bacteria and virus. ये bacteria and virus के बीच एक independent group है. And viruses are called obligate parasite. What is obligate parasite? Obligate parasite क्या है? Obligate parasite का मतलब है an organism, obligate parasite is an organism that cannot survive independently of a host species. ये independently survive नहीं कर सकते, जिसे हम obligate parasite कहते हैं. तो virus is a obligate parasite. Virus is an obligate parasite. These are the some common characters about virus. Now, you probably know virus is neither living nor non-living. But why does it so? This is because virus show characteristic features of both living and non-living. Virus living characters भी show करते हैं और non-living characters भी show करते हैं. कैसे? अगर होस्ट सेल के बाहर, माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर होस्ट सेल के बाहर वायरस को हम लोग देखते हैं, तो वायरस एक क्रिस्टल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. वायरस इज अ क्रिस्टल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जिसमें कोई मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी नहीं है या फिर रिप्रोडक्टिव कैपेबिलिटी भी नहीं है इसमें. तो होस्ट सेल के बाहर वायरस में कोई मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी भी नहीं है और रिप्रोडक्टिव कैपेबिलिटी भी नहीं है. लेकिन वायरस जब होस्ट सेल में इंटर करते हैं, when virus enters in a host cell, तब वायरस में एक रिप्रोडक्टिव कैपेबिलिटी देखा जाता है. When virus enters in a host cell, they can reproduce. But ये जो कैपेबिलिटी है ये फिर से हो जाते हैं जब वायरस होस्ट सेल के बाहर है. इसीलिए वायरस में कोई सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है और सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए एसेंशियल है. तो वायरस क्या करेंगे? इसीलिए वायरस क्या करते हैं? एक होस्ट सेल को हाईजैक करते हैं. एक होस्ट सेल को हाईजैक करते हैं जिसके अंदर वायरस रिप्रोडक्शन जिसके अंदर वायरस रिप्रोडक्शन करते हैं। सो वायरस रिप्रोड्यूस जब वायरस होस्ट सेल के अंदर रहते हैं तभी वायरस रिप्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज वायरस इज अ नॉन लिविंग। नाउ लेट्स सी द what are the characters of living and non-living. Non-living characters of virus. वायरस के non-living characters क्या है? Virus doesn't have any cell form and also they don't have any cytoplasm और enzyme. इन cytoplasm भी नहीं है, enzyme भी नहीं है, तो ये रेस्पायर नहीं कर सकते हैं, दे कांट रेस्पायर, क्योंकि इसमें साइटोप्लाज्म भी नहीं है, एंजाइम भी नहीं है, सो दे कांट रेस्पायर। Viruses are inert crystalline structure which can be precipitated and these crystals may produce infection. ये जो crystals है, ये crystals infection कर सकते हैं। Virus doesn't grow in an artificial medium. Artificial medium में virus grow नहीं कर सकते हैं, जो एक non-living character है। Living organisms artificial medium में grow कर सकते हैं। And antibodies are not effective against virus. Antibodies virus के against effective नहीं है। These are the non-living characters of virus. Now, living characters of virus. वायरस सिर्फ लिविंग कैरेक्टर्स कब शो करते हैं? जब एक होस्ट सेल के अंदर है, होस्ट सेल के अंदर ही वायरस लिविंग है, होस्ट सेल के बाहर वायरस नॉन लिविंग है। और होस्ट सेल के अंदर ये कैसे रहते हैं? लाइक एन ऑब्लिगेट पैरासाइट इनसाइड द होस्ट सेल। होस्ट सेल के अंदर ये ऑब्लिगेट पैरासाइट की तरह रहते हैं। अब क्या है वायरस का लिविंग कैरेक्टर्स? वायरस कैन ग्रो एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय रेप्लिकेशन। रेप्लिकेशन से ये मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एंड ग्रो करते हैं। वायरस कैन सिंथेसाइज देयर ओन डीएनए, ये अपना डीएनए सिंथेसाइज कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स अपना डीएनए और आरएनए सिंथेसाइज कर सकते हैं, वैसे ही वायरस भी अपना डीएनए और आरएनए सिंथेसाइज कर सकते हैं। और कोई भी एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन में वायरस अडेप्ट कर सकते हैं। सो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स भी जैसे कोई भी एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन में अडेप्ट कर सकते हैं, वैसे वायरस शो एडेप्टेशन टू वेरियस एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट म्यूटेशन, जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। म्यूटेशन जो एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। म्यूटेशन वायरस म्यूटेशन कैन ऑल्सो टेक्स प्लेस इन वायरसेस। वायरस में म्यूटेशन भी होते हैं। सो दीज आर द लिविंग कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ वायरस। मेनी वायरस कॉज डिजीज इन एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स। बहुत सारे वायरल डिजीजेस हैं। सो मेनी वायरस कॉज डिजीज इन एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स। So now I hope you have understood why Whitaker didn't include virus in his classification, क्योंकि वायरस में कुछ लिविंग कैरेक्टर्स है, कुछ है नॉन लिविंग कैरेक्टर्स। अब ये लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग कैरेक्टर्स है, लेकिन क्लासिफिकेशन के लिए कुछ पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर्स जो विटेकर ने दिया था, वो सब कैरेक्टर्स वायरस में नहीं है। इसीलिए विटेकर ने वायरस को क्लासिफिकेशन में इंक्लूड नहीं किया। और वायरस लिविंग कैरेक्टर्स भी शो करते हैं, नॉन लिविंग कैरेक्टर्स भी शो करते हैं। सो दे आर द कनेक्टिंग लिंक बिटवीन लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग। न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन मतलब दे कंटेन प्रोटीन एंड जेनेटिक मटेरियल। अब ये जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज ईदर आरएनए और डीएनए। इधर आरएनए और डीएनए, बोथ डीएनए और आरएनए नहीं रह सकते। ये जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज ईदर आरएनए और डीएनए। नो वायरस कंटेन बोथ डीएनए एंड आरएनए simultaneously. The structural protein of virus form a outer protein coat which protect the DNA or RNA. This outer protein covering is called capsid. तो capsid क्या है? कैप्सिड जो अंदर का प्रोटीन है, उस प्रोटीन को, ये जो अंदर में प्रोटीन विच इज ईदर डीएनए और आरएनए, इस प्रोटीन के ऊपर एक कवरिंग है, इसके ऊपर एक कवरिंग है। ये covering protect the genetic material. This covering is known as capsid. ये जो covering जो प्रोटीन को which is structural protein which is DNA और RNA इसको जो प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं उसे कहते हैं कैप्सिड. एंड व्हाट इज कैप्सोमियर? कैप्सोमियर मीन्स कैप्सिड इज मेड अप ऑफ स्मॉल सब यूनिट्स. ये कैप्सिड स्मॉल सब यूनिट्स से होते हैं. दिस सब यूनिट्स इज नोन एज कैप्सोमियर. दिस सब यूनिट्स इज नोन एज कैप्सोमियर. सो कैप्सिड एंड कैप्सोमियर समझ में आया. कैप्सिड है आउटर कवरिंग जो डीएनए और आरएनए को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं एंड capsid is made up of small subunits which is known as capsomere. Now capsomere are arranged in helical or polyhedral geometric forms and the genetic material of virus is RNA or DNA. RNA भी हो सकते हैं और DNA भी हो सकते हैं and this genetic material can be single stranded or double stranded. So this is the structure of virus. Now, DNA containing viruses are called deoxyviruses. So, deoxyviruses क्या है? DNA containing viruses. They are called deoxyviruses. They are of two types. First one is double-stranded DNA virus or dsDNA. Now, examples. What are the examples of dsDNA virus? Example is pox virus, herpes virus, adenovirus, hepatitis B, T2 bacteriophage, T4 bacteriophage, and cauliflower mosaic virus. These are animal virus and T2, T4 bacteriophage, cauliflower mosaic virus are plant virus, which are double-stranded DNA virus. Now, single-stranded DNA virus or FSDNA. Examples are F into 174 coliphage or bacteriophage and S13E coliphage and M13. Now, RNA containing virus. RNA containing viruses are called ribovirus. There are two types, double-stranded RNA or dsRNA. Example, reovirus, rice virus, dwarf virus, and bone tumor virus. And ssRNA or single-stranded RNA. Example, DMV, polio, HIV, mumps, measles, rabies, influenza, and papaya mosaic virus. Now, animals can be infected by both single and double-stranded RNA and also by double-stranded DNA. So, animals can infected both RNA and DNA. Animals can infected by both single-stranded or double-stranded RNA and also by double-stranded DNA. But plant virus. In plant virus, the genetic material of plant virus is never ssDNA. Plant virus is never ssDNA. So, RNA infect plant. RNA virus always infect plants. So, plant virus is never ssDNA. Plant virus is never ssDNA. Single-stranded RNA infects only plants. So, single-stranded RNA infects only plants, but animals can be infected by both single and double-stranded RNA and also by double-stranded DNA. And plant virus is never infected. Plant virus is never ssDNA, means single-stranded DNA. Plant virus is never single-stranded DNA. But exception is Gemini virus. They are the plant virus having single-stranded circular DNA. So exception exception is Gemini virus. This is single-stranded DNA, single-stranded or ssDNA. So exception is ssDNA. Means plant virus always RNA and animal RNA or DNA. RNA और DNA. एंड ये RNA और DNA सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड भी हो सकता है, डबल स्ट्रैंडेड भी हो सकते हैं. Leucovirus and cytomegalovirus contains both DNA and RNA. Leucovirus and cytomegalovirus DNA और RNA contain करते हैं. And viruses enters plant cells through wounds. wounds से virus plant cell के अंदर जा सकते हैं. So viruses enters plant cells through wounds. So TMV structure. First, draw the structure of TMV like this. This is the structure of TMV. TMV का structure कैसे है? Like this. TMV was the first virus ever to be discovered. So TMV was the first virus or tobacco mosaic virus. TMV was the first virus ever to be discovered. It is a rod-shaped structure with rough surface, looks like a bunch of banana. Each rod is about 300 nanometer. Each rod is about 300 nanometer long and 17 nanometer in diameter. And each rod consists of two parts, the protein coat or the capsid and nucleic acid. So protein coat और capsid क्या है? These are capsid and this is genetic material. Its genetic material is single-stranded RNA. So TMV genetic material is ssRNA. TMV genetic material is ssRNA. And capsid is made up of 2130 capsomeres. Capsid is made up of 2130 capsomeres. So capsid 2130 capsomere, which are arranged in helical fashion. Each polypeptide chain consists of 158 amino acid. So amino acid in each polypeptide chain 158. Amino acid is 158 in each polypeptide chain. This is the structure of TMV. Okay, where TMV ssRNA and each rod is about 300 nanometer long and 30 nanometer in diameter. Each rod consists of two parts, one protein coat or capsid and nucleic acid. Its genetic material is single-stranded RNA and capsid is made up of 2130 capsomere, 2130 capsomere, and amino acid. Each polypeptide chain consists of 158 amino acids. This is the structure of TMV. Now, do you know what bacteriophages are? Let's see. Phages means eater and bacteriophages means bacteria eater. So bacteria eater को हम लोग कहते हैं bacteriophages. Now, bacteriophages are special type of virus. ये बैक्टीरियोफेज है, स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ वायरस. They have a special ability to infect and kill bacteria. So thanks to our friend bacteriophage, which protect us from several bacteria. ये एक वायरस है, बट इसके पास एक स्पेशल एबिलिटी है टू इन्फेक्ट एंड किल बैक्टीरिया. Now let's see the structure of bacteriophage. What is the structure of bacteriophage? This is the structure of bacteriophage. Now let's see what is this. They have a head. They have a head, collar, tail and tail fibers. Now what is head? This is head. This is head. This is collar. This is collar. And these are tail fibers. These are tail fibers. अब हेड में क्या रहते हैं? हेड consist of nucleic acid. Head consist of nucleic acid. और ये nucleic acid है, so nucleic acid surrounded by capsid. And nucleic acid is double stranded DNA. So bacteriophage में क्या है? dsDNA. Bacteriophage में dsDNA. Tail is proteinaceous tube-like, core surrounded by sheath. This is sheath. This is sheath. So bacteriophages में क्या है? They have a head, collar, tail and tail fibers. This is head, collar, tail fibers and this is sheath. And head consists of nucleic acid which is surrounded by capsid. And nucleic acid is dsDNA or double stranded DNA. They are used as vector for transferring genetic material. So this is the use of bacteriophage. They are used as vector for transferring genetic material. Bacteriophage possess lysozyme enzyme. So enzyme क्या है यहाँ पे? Enzyme is lysozyme enzyme. And it was discovered by English bacteriologist Frederick Todd. Discovered by English bacteriologist Frederick Todd. Next is viral disease. Viral disease क्या है? Now viral disease. Virus causes diseases like common cold, which is caused by rhinovirus. So common cold caused by rhinovirus. Mumps caused by paramyxofamily virus. Smallpox, which is caused by variola virus. Herpes, which is caused by herpes simplex virus. Next is AIDS. AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is caused by HIV virus. So AIDS caused by HIV virus. Influenza caused by Haemophilus influenzae. Now, did you know about the 1918 influenza pandemic? This pandemic is described as one of the deadliest disaster in human history. ये सबसे deadliest disaster है human history में, ये influenza pandemic जो 1980 में हुआ था. About 500 million people were affected. पूरे world में 500 million people were affected and 6 million people was died. 500 million people affected हुए थे, but 6 million people was died. Many of these diseases can be easily prevented by vaccination. Vaccination से बहुत सारे disease prevent कर सकते हैं. Adenovirus is a vertebrate virus which replicates in an arthropod. So adenovirus is a vertebrate virus which replicates in an arthropod, and it is a naked DNA virus. So naked DNA virus क्या है? Adenovirus. Adenovirus is a naked DNA virus. Adenovirus is a naked DNA virus. Viruses also infect plants. Now, what are the symptoms? When virus infects a plant, the symptoms like mosaic formation, leaf rolling, curling, yellowing, and vein clearing, dwarfing, stunted growth for plants. These are the symptoms when a virus infects a plant. And what are the examples of plant virus? Examples are cauliflower mosaic disease. Cauliflower mosaic disease caused by cauliflower mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus disease caused by TMV or tobacco mosaic virus. Dahlia mosaic virus disease caused by Dahlia mosaic virus. Potato leaf roll caused by potato leaf roll virus. Now, Citrus tristeza is the largest known virus. So, largest virus क्या है? Citrus tristeza. Citrus tristeza is the largest known virus. Largest known virus is Citrus tristeza. This is the largest known virus. Now, let's know about some scientists helped in discovery of virus. First one is D.J. Ivanovsky. D.J. Ivanovsky ने क्या किया था? उन्होंने recognize certain microbes as which cause mosaic disease in tobacco plant. उन्होंने tobacco plant में कुछ certain microbes को notice किया जो tobacco mosaic disease form कर रहे हैं and discovered the virus tobacco mosaic virus. So D.J. Ivanovsky discovered the virus tobacco mosaic virus for the first time in 1892, and TMV was the first virus ever to be discovered. First virus ever to be discovered, and TMV was discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. Next is M.W. Beijing. He showed that the extract of infected tobacco plants could cause infection in healthy plants. उन्होंने देखा कि extract जो है tobacco plants का, infected tobacco plants का जो extract है, वो healthy plants को भी infected कर सकते हैं. And he called the fluid as Contagium vivium fluidum. So he termed the fluid as Contagium vivium fluidum, means infectious living fluid, and he also termed word virus. So virus किसने term किया? M.W. Beijing. W.M. Stanley. He crystallized virus for the first time. Now let's learn about viroids. Viroids का मतलब है virus like. So virus means virus like. Viroids were discovered in 1971 by T.O. Dehner. So viroids discovered in 1971 by T.O. Dehner. Now structure क्या है? Viroids are small, low molecular weight, circular, single-stranded RNA molecule containing about 250 to 390 bases. So viroids are ssRNA, which containing about 250 to 390 bases. Viroids are smaller than viruses. viruses are smaller than bacteria and viroids are smaller than virus. So first bacteria, then virus, and इससे भी छोटा क्या है, viroids. So viroids are smaller than bacteria. Viroids can cause potato spindle tuber disease and chrysanthemum stunt. So ये क्या disease cause कर सकते हैं, potato spindle tuber disease and chrysanthemum. Now क्या viroids को virus से differ करते हैं? What make viroid different from a virus? This is the absence of protein code. virus में एक protein code था, लेकिन viroids में ये protein code नहीं है. virus में virus presence of protein code. virus protein code virus में है, लेकिन viroids में ये protein code नहीं है. So absence of protein code, which makes viroid different from a virus. So this is all about viroids. Now, what is virion? Virion means a simple virus particle. एक simple virus particle को virion कहते हैं. And they grow and multiply only living cell. ये सिर्फ living cell में grow कर सकते हैं या फिर multiply कर सकते हैं. और एक एक virion सिर्फ एक molecule nucleic acid carry करते हैं, which is called genome. So virion क्या है? Virion, a simple virus particle, and they grow and multiply only in living cells. Each virion contain only one molecule of nucleic acid, which is called genome. Virusoids क्या है? These are RNA virus. RNA virus को virusoids कहते हैं, but inside the capsid of other larger virus. ये कोई larger virus के अंदर capsid of other larger virus. ये एक RNA virus है. This is a RNA virus, but कोई बड़ा virus के जो capsid है, उस capsid के अंदर, this is virusoid. So virusoid क्या है? This is RNA virus, but inside the capsid of other larger virus. They replicate within the host and do not cause any infection. ये कोई infection नहीं करते हैं and do not cause infection. These are virusoids. Last is prion. What is prion? Prions don't have any genetic material, but they contain only outer protein covering. Prion में genetic material नहीं है, बस outer protein covering है. Genetic material नहीं है, बस outer protein covering है. Like this is the outer protein covering. This is called prion. यहाँ पे कोई भी genetic material नहीं है. Prions are smallest, मतलब ये viroid से भी small है. So prions are smallest among the non-cellular organism. Non-cellular organism में prions are smallest. This is infectious agent. So prion कौन सा disease करते हैं? May cause diseases like Kuru disease. और Kuru disease क्या है? Laughing death disease in humans, mad cow disease, scurvy disease in sheep. So this is all about prion, viroid, etc. The last is lichen. Lichen क्या है? Lichen is a symbiotic relation between algae and fungi. Symbiotic relationship में जो रहते हैं, both are benefited. मतलब यहाँ पे जो algae है और ये जो fungi है, algae and fungi, both are benefited, मतलब ये एक benefit वाला relationship है, both are benefited. Here algae is autotrophic and fungi is heterotrophic. Now algae क्या करते हैं? Algae prepare food for fungi and fungi क्या करते हैं? Fungi shelter provide करते हैं. So algae खाना बना सकते हैं क्योंकि ये autotrophic है, but fungi is heterotrophic, ये खाना नहीं बना सकते. So algae prepare food for fungi and fungi provide shelter. This is the symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi, and this is known as lichen. ये lichen एक pollution indicator है. मतलब क्या है? जिस जगह में बहुत ज्यादा pollution है वहां पे lichen grow नहीं करते. So lichen is a pollution indicator. And pioneer organism for xerac succession in bare rock. This is a pioneer organism for xerac succession. So this is all about lichen.
Education is a right, irrespective of race, religion, caste, or gender. In India, good schooling is only available in megacities and in urban areas to some extent. And all school and offline tuitions shut down because of horrifying corona pandemic. At this situation, most of the students can afford good education because of poor financial conditions, lack of awareness, poor network and internet connections, and also lack of good devices. To solve this problem, we have launched our new educational platform, Shantu. We will provide national level education with a very nominal cost that everyone can afford.
Our course will provide short animated videos, highly effective notes, NCERT highlights, practice paper, mock test, shortcut tricks and doubt clearing sessions and many more. For class 11 and 12, NEET, JEE, nursing and also for foundation classes. All videos will be in English, Hindi and Bengali. We'll provide psychiatric counseling, motivational and entertainment videos to keep our mind fresh. Also we'll provide information about corona pandemic and the vaccination process. So to make this revolution successful, subscribe to Shantu. You and us can make a change. Be the change. Hope we will meet there.